This week at Aldi from September 25, 24 to October 1, 24, check out exciting home goods lineup. You can snag the Easy Home Bamboo Collapsible Basket for just $9.99, or the Bamboo Collapsible Hamper for $14.99. For added comfort, don't miss the Easy Home Comfort Cushion priced at $19.99. Transform your bedroom with the Huntington Home 6-piece comforter and coverlet set for $39.99, or cozy up with the embossed microfiber sheets at only $14.99. Enhance your living space with energy-saving window curtains for $7.99, and snuggle under the Huntington Home Knit Tassel Throw for $19.99. Organize in style with the lined bamboo bin for $14.99, and rest easy on the luxury bed pillow, available for just $7.99. Add flair to your floors with the washable 2 feet by 6 feet runner for $19.99, or the larger washable 5 feet by 7 feet rug for $49.99. Finally, the Soul Furniture rectangular storage ottoman is a steal at $19.99. In household essentials, keep your laundry fresh with Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters liquid laundry detergent for $5.79. Add a touch of comfort with Downy Comfy Cozy Beads for $9.94, or try the Downy Lavender or Cool Cotton Rinse for $6.94. And don't forget the Tide Antibacterial Fabric Spray, available for $5.44.